we here today to talk about prep2, the second week, what we studied. Okay, we studied the irrational number, but before we talk about irrational number, we need to talk about rational number. We know before rational number is each number we can write it like A over B. Okay. Like we talk, like all integers, all decimal, all percentage. For example, 3 is a rational number because it can be expressed as 3 over 1 or 6 over 2. Decimal because all decimal we know before, the denominator of it will be 10, 100, 1000 and else. And all percentage because all denominators for percentage is 100, so we can write it like as A over B, and B doesn't equal 0 as we studied before in Prep 1. So this week we talked about a rational number. Okay, we know before in root of number like 36 equal 6, so it's rational number, but root and the cube root of 8 equal 2 as we know before. Cube root of 27 over 1000 is equal 3 over 10. It's like A over B, so it will be rational number. So we know the rational number is the square root of a rational number which is not a perfect square. For example, root 2 is not a rational number because there is no rational number whose square is 2. So root 2 cannot be written as A over B, and A and B are integers. Okay, pi is not a rational number. Okay, then the cube root of a rational number which is not a perfect cube is not a rational number, is a irrational number. For example, cube root of 4 doesn't belong to rational number because there is no rational number whose cube is 4. So cube root of 4 cannot be written as A over B, where A and B are integers and B doesn't equal 0. Other example of numbers is not a rational number, like root 5, like 1 minus cube root of 7, like 2 root 7, like negative cubic root of 9 over 5, and another numbers. So we know that the set of a rational number is denoted by Q dash. Notice that Q and Q dash are disjoint sets. So Q intersect Q dash equal phi. After that, we know how to solve an equation in a rational number. So, for example, here 2x cubed plus 5 equal 15. First of all, we wanted to make 15 to the other side to make x cubed alone. 2x cubed equal 15 minus 5, so 2x cubed equal 10. Okay, we had here 2 times x cubed. We want to remove it, so we will make x cubed divided by 2 and 10 divided by 2. So x cubed will be 5. We remove power 3 or cube, we must have the cubic root of x power 3. So cubic root of x power 3 or x cube equal cube root of 5. So x will be cubic root of 5. Cubic root here is a rational number. So solution set will be equal cubic root of 5. Then after this we take two lessons of geometry. We talked about theorem 2 in medians. Last week we talked about first theorem of medians. Next, theorem 2 is the point of congruence of the medians of the triangle divides each median in a ratio of 1 to 2 from its base. Like from this base it will be 1 like MD to 2, so AM. So MD will be half of AM and CM will be 2 FM. We must know the point of congruence of the median of the triangle divide each in ratio 2 to 1 from the vertex. In the opposite figure, if A, B, C, this example, is a triangle, M is the point of congruence of its medians. AD and BF and CE is medians. So MD equals 3 AD. MD equal 1/3 of AD. So MD ratio AD equal 1 to 3 and AM equal 2/3 of AD. Like AM ratio AD equal to ratio 3. For example, if AD equal 9, then MD equal 1/3 of AD equal 3 centimeters. Then we had an example here. In this opposite figure, ABC is triangle in which CD and BE are two medians intersecting at M. BM equal 6 cm, BC equal 13 cm, and DC equal 12 cm. He wants to find the perimeter of triangle DME. Okay. In step 1, we know how to solve this equation, this method. Sorry. We must have the given and the required to prove or required to find and prove. Given, we know ABC is a triangle in which CD and BE are two medians, and M is the point of the intersection. BM equals 6, BC equals 13, and DC equals 12. If we write this given in exams, we had 1 degree from 5, for example. Required to find the perimeter of triangle DME, so the both. Since CD and BE are medians intersecting at the point M, so M is the point of intersection of the medians of triangle ABC. So ME equal half BM. So ME equal half times 6 equals 3 centimeters. Then DM equal 1/3 of DC, like I talked before. So DM equal 1/3 of DC. So equal 1/3 times 12 equal 4 centimeters. Since CD and BE are two medians in triangle ABC, then D is the midpoint of AB and E is the midpoint of AC. Then DE equal half, BE equal half times 13 equals 6.5 centimeters. Then the perimeter of triangle DME equal ME plus DM plus DE equal C plus 4 plus 6.5 equal 13.5 centimeters. Thank you very much.